CBS in the 66th Street and no understand where you're going. I don't know what you have.
Well, that's all right. We'll go ahead and get her out and handcuff her, and that way when she comes to, we can take her right to the jail. How many times do you need to get arrested for this, for God's sakes, woman?
When does a traffic stop become a constitutional arrest? What legal doctrine gives an officer authority to act without a warrant? And what limits that power in the same moment? This analysis examines the foundational principles that determine whether everything that followed was lawful, and what the law demands of everyone present.
CBS in the 66th Street and no understand where you're going. I don't know what you have. I can't use too much time with you. I no understand where you're going.
So what am I here for?
Huh?
I don't help with that. What am I here for?
I need money. You know, have money. Almost 60 bucks in the car.
You have an ID on you, ma'am?
Oh, I do. We're just going up the street.
Going where?
Up the street.
Where's up the street?
126th Avenue.
And?
It's Sierra.
Okay, that's behind us.
Okay, I'm trying to tell him where to go. Sorry. Oh, thank you.
Okay. Do you have the money to pay this man?
I do at my house.
Okay. I gotta be honest with you, Miss Rule. I'm not trying to be cad, but I've heard that a dozen times.
No, I don't want any trouble. I have my friend who's gonna be outside waiting for me. I can call him if you want.
How about we do that?
Okay. Hey. Hey, the cab just got pulled over. I am at the Circle K. Can you be out front with the money? How much?
It is now 63.46.
80. Let me give him a tip. 80. No, go in the box. I have 80. Just be outside because I think he thinks I'm gonna run. I don't know where I'm gonna go. But I think I'm a youth. I think maybe we took a left instead of a right.
All right. Sir, she's not saying CVS. She's saying Sierra. It's the mobile home park right behind you here on 126.
You can't give me the address, sir.
I'm sorry,
it's
sir.
Like
thank you.
60-something 126 Avenue. Just look up Sierra.
Is it across the street?
It's right over there.
Oh, so you just go straight through the light, and then it's the mobile home park.
Mobile home park on the right. Sierra.
You can give me here, sir. I'm sorry. The address. I'm sorry.
Thank you. Yeah. Grab it. We are at the Circle K. So he took a wrong turn. Okay. All right.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
All right, I'll follow you over there just to make sure everything goes okay.
All right. Thank you.
No problem. What are they doing? Where are they going? We're 97. I've been out here before. This is a problem house. I don't know exactly. He kept saying she wanted to run around, and ran it up to $60 already, and she's like, no, he's supposed to be taking me to Sierra. He kept saying CVS.
I don't understand. You tell me here and stop in the car.
So what's going on? Alright, so what's going on? You don't have the money, do you? I didn't think so. Step out. I'm gonna charge you for the huffing too. Step out.
Seatbelt.
She just took a giant huff.
Oh, nice.
Well, that's alright. We'll go ahead and get her out and handcuff her, and that way when she comes to, we can take her right to the jail.
About 5 minutes to come out of that.
Out of the huff, I know. I've seen huffers.
I'm sorry. I didn't know that they were out of the hospital.
This is gonna be one of the nights, eh?
Yeah, it sounds like it, especially because we're having issues with the DLT.
And you got this idiot trying to huff right in front of me.
Yeah, nobody wants to stop her. No bus driver.
How long has she been doing that for? Nothing.
To my knowledge, since 2020.
For a while.
You're not gonna be needing these where you're going. Alright, step out, because I'm done with you.
Okay.
Come on. Don't jerk away from me.
I'm not gonna
I will tase you right here in this cab. I don't care.
You can do that.
Get up.
Thank you, sir.
You don't need that. Leave it.
Can I get my bag?
Step out. You're under arrest for theft of services and huffing. Wasn't a smart thing to do with me right behind you.
That's... Can you get my bag? I'll take your stuff. Can you get your bag? Probably not. You're taking me wherever it is they're taking you. Oh, can I have that?
No, you cannot have that. What are you, retarded?
Well, possibly.
This way. Has anybody got the money for the cab?
He said he's got money.
I'll take that can for evidence. Yeah, right in front of me, just huffing away, and I'm like, are you kidding me? Yeah.
Thank you so much, but no understand where you're going and you need to and police you see me. And I am sorry, but I am because I am no safety. No, because safety. Because no understand. You check it. I can't.
I just want to pay
Because I need safety for sheep. Because I don't need going to another place and this is safety.
That can't go, that can't go.
No problem. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you, Mama. I'm sorry about that. Because I don't see nothing. You shake it, I'm scared.
Alright, can you get his 14 for me?
driver. Yeah.
Yeah.
You got another bag in there too.
Okay.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yes, of
Can I
course.
grab it from you real
Yes,
quick?
yes, of course. Yes. No problem. 1 second. Sure. I help everybody, swear to God.
What relationship are you guys to her? Yep. Oh, you've already ran into her? Well, Amanda decided to get stupid, not pay her cab bill, and on the way over here, just starts huffing right in front of me, and I'm right behind her.
Oh,
What relationship are you guys to her?
I'm her mother.
You're her mother? Close enough for me.
She was staying.
I'm going to give this to you.
She's staying here with me.
Okay.
Or at least she was, but after today, they may tell
I
me
highly
that
recommend that. Yeah, that should probably
she
end.
can't stay anymore.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah.
She got another bag in there.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, just give me a few minutes to go through that.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you. My number 727.
Out here?
Yeah.
Okay.
560 30
She's
96.
ingested this in front of officers.
You didn't take her then?
Charges got referred because she went to the hospital because she was having chest pains. But that charge got referred earlier.
Okay. Alright. Throw these into evidence. Appreciate you coming out, man. Yeah? You keep my whole hip from Target? Holy cow. That's a hole.
For 58 and down there.
Sir, I paid. Can I pay for the cab and not get a charge?
You already got a charge for huffing. You did it right in front of me.
And driver.
Yeah, this is our second time out with her tonight? Yeah, she's
That's
going.
what Mom was saying.
Yeah,
Were you out here?
I was out here earlier.
How many times do you need to get arrested for this, for God's sakes, woman?
Okay. You already got the charge referred today?
Yeah,
The same charge referred already today.
And she's got affidavits in here for doing it before.
48.
You do realize this stuff will kill you, right? It's only a matter of time.
Do you have my purse?
I gave everything to your mother.
Can I have my purse? I need my identification.
I have your identification.
I need money.
You didn't have any money.
No, on my bank cards. And I have money in my house.
Well, they don't take bank cards at the jail, so.
Alright, you can go out and bring her over.
Okay. Alright, man, step on out.
Thank you.
Right over here.
Hey man, right here you gotta put your feet underneath this metal step for me.
Thank you.
Do you have anything on you that can be considered contrabands when you get down to the jail?
No.
No?
I think I got everything, but
Alright, because I'm not gonna search you out here.
No, that's okay. No, I don't have anything.
I just want to
I
ask.
have my phone
yeah,
and
all your
cards.
phones, it's all in a bag.
Everything's,
Yeah.
Alright.
everything's sitting right here in this bag.
Oh,
And
thank you.
I turned your phone off for you.
Oh, thank you.
So save your battery, alright? Put this belt around your waist, we're moving the cuffs up front.
You asked
You're
for
good. You
your-
keep your hands down.
Both your bank cards are in there, your phone's in there, your ID's in there.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate it. Sorry I
problem.
ruined your dinner.
It happens.
Yeah.
More often than you know.
Part of the job.
So I said, just park too. And I was like, you gotta be kidding me.
This is gonna be the uncomfortable part. Just bear with me.
No, you're good.
You can stand straight up there. Try not to suffocate you, but you have some tiny wrists.
Yeah, I know. I'm not going anywhere though.
Double lock that so it doesn't change that much.
Listen, Miss Amanda, all jokes aside, I'm not trying to lecture you, but I'm also in the medical field. Get some help for that problem. Because you're going to get that stuff down in there. It's going to freeze into the tissues deep enough to crack a big vessel, and you're going to drown in your own blood. So please get some help. Alright? I don't want to see you die that way. That's a miserable way to go. Okay?
Alright. Watch your step. Watch your head, okay?
Thank you.
Under the Fourth Amendment, a warrantless misdemeanor arrest is constitutionally valid when the offense is committed directly in the officer's presence. This is the in-presence rule, affirmed in Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S., 318, and rooted in common law that predates the Constitution itself. Probable cause is assessed under the totality of the circumstances, as established in Illinois versus Gates, 462 U.S., 213. It does not require certainty. A first-hand account from a complaining witness, combined with observable facts at the scene, is sufficient to meet the constitutional threshold for a warrantless arrest. Most U.S. states criminalize the intentional inhalation of aerosol propellants for intoxication. Florida Statute Section 877.111 and Arizona Revised Statute Section 133001 are representatives examples. A first offense is typically a misdemeanor. The statute applies regardless of whether the substance itself is legally sold. The plain view doctrine, rooted in Coolidge versus New Hampshire, 403 U.S., 443, permits warrantless seizure when three conditions are met. The officer is lawfully present, the item is in plain sight, and its incriminating character is immediately apparent. Observation alone is sufficient. No search is required. Use of force is evaluated under Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S., 386. Three factors govern the severity of the crime at issue, whether the subject poses an immediate threat to officer safety, and whether the subject is actively resisting arrest. Force must be objectively reasonable at the moment of the decision, not judged by hindsight. Under United States versus Robinson, 414 U.S., 218. A lawful custodial arrest authorizes a full search of the person and their immediate area. This is a categorical rule. No additional justification is required beyond the fact of the arrest itself. Miranda protections attach under Berkemer versus McCarty, 468 U.S., 420, only when a person is subjected to custodial interrogation. Miranda is not required at the moment of arrest. Voluntary statements made before express questioning begins are admissible without advisement. Three principles define this legal framework. Direct observation creates immediate arrest authority under the in-presence rule. Evidence in plain sight requires no warrant to seize. And under Graham versus Connor, force is measured at the moment of decision because retroactive justification is constitutionally forbidden. But the legal questions do not end with the arrest. When charges are referred rather than booked, what changes in the evidentiary chain? If prior offenses appear in a defendant's belongings at the scene, how does that shape the prosecution's theory of criminal intent? And when a medical emergency follows immediately after an arrest, who bears legal responsibility for what comes next? These are the questions that follow this case into the courtroom.